Foxtrot, short final runway 30, stop and go Byron.
Hey, Byron, traffic, 4 Kilo is on the upwind, 30, have Byron, okay. Sorry about that. That was quite a wind. Let's see what it was. Where's the AWOS?
Actually, I feel a little bit more confident on that one.
You want to try another one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it right traffic?
Yeah.
Stop and go Byron. Clear 2, short 12 Byron, landing traffic 30.
It's about 1,000 right here.
Keep going straight out though, we're going to climb up a little bit. There's someone going off in the other direction off that. I think it's the parachuting. You can turn right crosswind now.
Okay.
Byron traffic, Cessna 4 Kilo, turning right crosswind for right close traffic, 30, Byron. Use a pattern out to 1,000 feet here.
Okay.
Celsius, traffic 6242, Foxtrot, departure leg runway 30 will be a right downwind departure, Byron.
Okay, bring your power back a little bit.
You're descending in the active 12, Byron.
That's the plane that takes people up for skydiving, so he's going to do a straight out. We'll give him time to take off. Byron traffic, 4 Kilo, approaching midfield, downwind, 30, have the departing traffic, 12 in sight, Byron.
2000, temperature, 30, Celsius, dew point, 14 Celsius, altimeter, 2,987 inches of mercury, remark, density altitude, 2100.
You see that guy taking off?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he's faster than us, so
Byron traffic is the 6242.
Is it taking up the other way?
Runway 30 will be departing on the right now with Byron 0.
It's because it's easier. The parachuting base is at the far end of the runway there, so to save themselves taxi time, they oftentimes take off that direction.
He has a tailwind.
I know, but he's got enough power, it doesn't matter. All right, go ahead and turn base.
Yep.
Yeah, he's coming up behind. We're going to go behind him. Byron traffic, 4 Kilo, turning right base 30, behind departing traffic, Byron.
Byron Airport, automated weather. Byron traffic, Cessna 6242 Tango. Cessna 42 Foxtrot is right downwind runway 30, climbing out of 1,200 feet, departing at right downwind.
Slow it down.
All right, so now it's all yours.
Okay.
This time I wouldn't use full flaps because of that crosswind.
Okay.
30 Celsius, dew point.
Maybe even stick with about 10 degrees.
Altimeter, 2.
All right, so it's coming,
we'll try 10 degrees.
coming from our left. So
From our left, yeah.
You know that we're going to touch down, try to touch down. Just, not a lot, but the left wheel will touch down slightly sooner before the right. All right, we have a lot of, so power back all the way. All right, here's what you do. You go full left rudder, full left rudder, full left rudder, and then bank it. That's your slip. Okay, push down. Works better if you do it kind of in a turn like this.
Celsius, dew point, 14 Celsius, altimeter, 2,987 inches of mercury, remark, density altitude, 2100.
Nice.
George, now traffic.
And
Okay, and then bring it around now.
Bring it around to the other
All
side.
right, hold the nose up, slow down. All right, and use your rudder now. Just work everything, work everything. Everything has to be worked on this one.
Sky condition, clear, below.
Very active landing here.
Temperature, 3.
More to the left.
Bring it down though, just let the plane come down. Control over to the center. That's your bank, okay? And rudder keeps it straight. Right, go rudder, roll right rudder. Hold it off, hold it off, roll off. More.
Byron Airport, automated weather observation.
I like that.
And then into the wind like that. Now let's get off this taxiway here. Now it takes but you have to be, these are independent of your rudders, so you have to work them both for different reasons.
Visibility,
Okay.
9er. Sky condition, clear, below 12,000. Temperature, 30 Celsius. Dew
Yeah, I should let that plane get out of the center line.
Altimeter 2987 inches of mercury. Remark. Density altitude 2100.
I haven't listened what the wind is. I haven't heard. It's coming. I think it's about.
Byron Airport. Automated weather observation 2203 Zulu. Wind 230 at 10 knots. Peak gust
10 knot, 230.
230. So it's a 90 degree. It's more or less 90 degrees.
Okay.
At 10 knots, gusting to 16. So this is a good crosswind.
Oh, excellent.
This is a good crosswind. So it's a good one to practice with.
I can feel the wind kicking the plane.
Well,
right
let's get the. Actually, it should be coming the other because the wind's coming from behind us.
Okay.
So.
Byron Airport. Automated weather observation.
I have to use the brake to get it on the center line.
Oh, that's probably true.
Wind 230.
Does this one feel better than Mike Tango in terms of the rudders?
Yeah.
16 knots. Visibility.
The Mike Tango has a smoother engine, I feel like.
That may be.
Temperature
All the way to the end?
Yeah.
Dew point 14 Celsius. Altimeter 2.
Well, while we're out here, it would be, wouldn't make sense not to take advantage of this, do a couple more out here.
Okay.
These are, really what they're going to help you.
Byron Airport.
Okay, we got that.
Yeah, I can feel the plane getting pushed around. Okay. Okay. Ready to take the runway?
Yep, let's take it.
Okay. Oh, let me just put my camera back on here.
All right, and also make a radio call then. Just tell Byron traffic you're taking 30 for right close traffic.
Byron traffic, this is Skyhawk 254 Echo Kilo taking runway 30. Left close. Oh no, right close traffic. Byron.
Right.
Flaps is up. Center this, trim is centered, lights are on, and in correction, aileron correction.
Alright, then you can take out the aileron correction. Yeah, take it out, just go to level. Take it in the air and pull back. There you go.
Back.
Yep. When you're doing a crosswind takeoff, you just kind of pop it into the air so you don't linger on the ground. That was good.
Byron traffic, Cessna 8182 Zulu is currently 6.7 to the northwest, landing Byron. I'll be setting up for a right downwind for 30 Byron.
Byron traffic, 4 Kilo on the upwind, taking left-right close traffic for 30, Byron.
Okay, we're gonna turn crosswind.
All right. Now we go right into downwind because right now the wind is blowing us way out. So you just try to bring it up back in.
Where's that plane coming in?
He's coming from behind us. You can make a call though, don't worry. Downwind 30, right downwind 30.
Okay, we're gonna try slow down.
Alright, bring your power back to 17. We're past the runway, bring the power down to 1700, 10 degrees and flaps. That's all we're gonna use though.
Skydiver to be here, tickets up for Byron 13,000 and below.
Byron traffic, 43 kilo, turning right base 30, Apple Bay. Sorry, Byron.
Byron traffic, Cessna 182 Zulu, landing a right downwind for runway 30, Byron.
High, aren't we? Bring the power all the way back. Alright, don't turn yet though. You can lose some down with the added altitude, burn this thing off.
Okay. So, what we're gonna do?
Rudder has to be down all the way down to the floor. Gotta do a slip. Right?
And we're gonna opposite.
This line landed straight on the runway. Take your time. All kinds of runway, plenty of runway. Right rudder now. Feel that? Yeah, gotta get that over there.
Byron traffic, Cessna 82 Zulu, turning base.
When you start to see the nose go like that, it means right rudder, right?
Okay.
All right, good. That's all right.
Byron traffic.
Oh, that was
on 5064 kilo.
Just make a left here.
Departing runway 23. I have the traffic on.
Yeah, that last one, I felt like I have no control on that one.
Well, that one you were doing a nice job up until the very end. Then the plane started to go, and then you know you kind of relaxed on the controls. You did, you know, your feet are going to be working all the way to the point where the touches down.
Okay.
All right.
I think I lost control of the feet.
Rudder. Yeah. Well, yeah. You want to keep your feet active. Once you get it, and then it'll be easy from that point on. Once you see what your feet can do with the airplane to make it straighten out, you'll get to the point where you won't have to even think about it. You'll just I know I need to, you know.
Okay.
We'll do one more here and we'll head back.
Okay.
Yeah, but all the way up till the very end, it was looking really good. You kicked in some rudder, cleaned it out. What makes it a little harder is when we come in high like that. Okay. So you've got to do the slip and all that kind of stuff. But
maybe I should slow down way before I enter the base.
Maybe slow down here too. Okay. I know the wind's behind you, so you just have to use some brakes, I guess. A runaway plane! I haven't heard where these guys are coming from.
Actually, the wind is it a tailwind?
From here it is, yeah.
So really, we should be like this.
Well, no, actually, no, it's coming from behind us.
Behind us,
If it's from behind us, you turn away from it.
It's definitely making it too hard to control the plane.
Oh, and then you just slow down. We're almost getting airborne here. All right. Oh, man, what's going on? Okay. Actually, let's do this. Let's head back now.
Okay.
I think you've had enough.
Okay.
All right, so we'll do a right downwind departure.
Let's do one more.
Okay, then.
I feel like that last one was not very good.
Okay. Well, and then a high note.
Byron traffic, Skyhawk 254 Echo Kilo, taking runway 30, right post traffic, Byron.
Let's do one more and then we'll head
back.
All
right, yeah. But you were coming down, the way you were coming down, I thought, you had it positioned so that the left wheel was going to touch, and then we get that close to the runway, then we get a few wind bobbles, and that's just things you have to expect and be ready to react to.
Yep. I didn't have that last minute change, it would have been good.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I agree.
Byron traffic, Cessna 4 Kilo just departed, runway 30 for right close traffic. We'll be looking for traffic on the 45, Byron.
Alright, looking for you. Elevator 2 is north of the 4 base, set number 45 for right traffic 30, Byron. Looking for the upwind.
I have no idea what he's talking.
Yeah, that's that parachute jump plane who's coming back now.
I hope he's coming the right way.
So, Heyman.
Upwind traffic inside for Byron.
Okay, traffic in sight. He has
Yeah, he has us.
Would you guys mind extending your upwind just slightly so I can jump in front of you?
Alright, Roger. Alright, let's turn back that way.
Mile 45, 30, Byron, upwind traffic inside.
A little bit more to the left. Okay, we'll hold that there now until I see him.
Where is he?
You guys are good now, we should be clear. Thanks.
Okay. Alright, now you can turn cross.
45, 30, Byron. Upwind traffic inside. Come on your right 3 and 5.
Okay, look.
What did he just say?
I know, I'll tell you in a minute. Here, let's level your wings.
Yeah.
Turn downwind 30, Byron.
I go ahead and turn down. Alright, he's a faster, much faster airplane now. So won't be a factor. Oh, goody, now we can do one more.
Right base 30, Byron.
Traffic, Skyhawk 54 Echo Kilo, turning right base for 30 Tracy.
Don't turn it right yet. Just wait a minute. Just because you're going into the strong wind here.
Okay.
Hard to give yourself some room here. That's all the flaps are going to use.
Cessna 8182 Zulu taking the active 30 for an early right-hand turnout. I've got the skydivers inside him.
Okay, traffic on 30. We're on a short final for 30. We'll be on here in about 30 seconds.
Gotcha, thanks. They got some parachutes just coming down.
Alright. Well, now hold the plane level. Use as much of his little rudder as you need. Stay active. Hold the plane off. Alright, hold it with the right rudder. Alright, keep the work in the aileron. Alright, there you go. Excellent. Oh my god. Hold it up, hold it up. All right, excellent. Excellent. We'll take off on the next, careful, next taxiway. That was really good.
That was pretty close.
That is very good, yep.
That was pretty close. Okay, let's end on a good note.
That's it. That is the good note.
Zulu's taking active to Byron 30 for an early right-hand turnout.
We don't have to go all the way. We'll get off and we'll get on one of the intersections here and go after he goes. Okay, careful, careful, not so hard. Careful,
Byron.
Can't really make hard corners in these planes.
Oh, there's the parachute.
Yeah, okay. That big plane there, he's ready to go up on one too.
Oh, okay. He's gonna go the other way. Oh, that's a big plane.